High power kids! Let's play Number Master with Number Box. Game 1. When the number box touch a number, it will be added to the existing number. Now the number box have become 70. With more number added, the total becomes higher. Careful! There are really sharp. Left. To the right. The number box is now 1236. Level completed. Game 2. Get ready. Set. Go. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 14, 24, 44, 76, 140. 140 minus 100 is equals to 40. Good job, Power Kids. Let's avoid the 1000. This time around we only got 165. Game 3. Last game. Should we go to the left or right? We should go to the left because the total is higher on the left. Minus 90. Let's go to the right. Left, right, left. The total is 1405. Terrific. Fantastic. Bombastic. Subscribe and see you on the next video.